Hello everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. This is the DSA Foundation Series. So most beginners fail in the DSA not because problems are hard, but because they don't understand the patterns. And today we are mastering one of the most important pattern in the coding introduced, that is the two-pointer technique. In this video, we will solve two classic problems from the LeetCode. First one is the palindrome. Second one is the reverse string. You will learn how to use left and right pointer correctly, how to skip unwanted characters efficiently, and how to reverse an array in place with the big of one space, and how to think like an interviewer. So if you're serious about the mastering the DS in the JavaScript, this is the foundational knowledge you cannot skip. So let's start. First problem is the valid palindrome. In this, a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all the uppercase letter into lowercase letter and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward alphanumeric character include letters or numbers. And we are given a string s, return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. So first of all, we have to learn what is a palindrome. Palindrome is like a MADAM. This is a palindrome. If we read from the front, if we read from the back, it's again come to the same position. In this 1 2 2 1 1, this is also a palindrome. Same number from front, same from the back. Now in this problem, we are given a string like this: a man, a plan, a canal, a Panama, and this contains the special characters like comma, colon, or anything in this, and maybe empty string also. So we have to remove all these uh, special characters, and we this is a alphanumeric characters, means alphanumeric characters includes the letters and numbers. So we have to check whether after converting all the uppercase into lowercase and also remove the all the non-alphanumeric character, whether it reads the same forward or backward. So first of all, let's write the here. First, write the edge case. Like example number 3, s is a empty string, then return true. For that, s dot string is a blank empty string, then return true. Else start the writing code array is equal to s dot to lowercase, means first we convert into the lowercase, then we split into the array format, means we create an array here. Now let's make a alpha, and means this contains the alphabets. The alphabets is the anything, means all the keyboard, the alphabets: Q W E R T Y U I O P A S D F G H I J K L M B, all the 26 alphabets here. And also it includes the numbers. So for that, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now this is a string here. This contains all the 26 alphabet and 10 digits, 0 to 9. Now let's make a two pointer. I use a two pointer approach here. Left is the 0, right is the array dot length minus 1 position. Start a while loop, and in the while loop, if left is the smaller than right, then stop it, means comes here. If the left is greater than right, then stop it. If array of left is equal to array of right index value, then all the things are the correct, means both are equal, then left plus plus, right minus minus, means moves up again. Now comes to the false case. Else if the alpha this string do not includes this value, this array of left, then left plus plus. Means there is no need to check. Means if there is a this blank screen, or means this empty space, or this is a comma, this comma or empty string is not lying in this alpha string, so we have to just left plus plus. Else if alpha dot includes array of right, same for the right side checking, then right minus minus. Else if both are the equal, then left plus plus, right minus minus. If both are the, means we check whether it is a special character or not. If it is, then left plus plus or right minus minus based on the condition. If both are the not equal, like here this is a E and this is A, E and A are not equal, so for that just write array of left is not equal to array of right, then return false. There is no need to check further, and return the true in last. Now let's run the code. Yes, it passed. Yes, let's try to submit. Yes, it accepts all the test cases and 488 test cases are passed. So means our code is perfectly working fine. And here first we check the edge case for the empty string. If it is empty, then return true. Then we convert into lowercase and split into an array format for easy access. Then we create a string that contains all the 26 alphabet A to Z and 10 digit, means 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And we start a two-pointer approach. We use a two-pointer approach here. Left is start with the 0, right start with the array dot length minus 1. We check if both are equal, then left plus plus. If both are, and right minus minus. This is the one case. If it is a special character, means like a colon, like empty string, or a comma, means alpha does not include this type of characters, so we left plus plus. Else right minus minus. And if both are the not equal, means both are the alphanumeric thing, but if they are not equal, then return the false, and in last return the true. So this is a basic first problem, the valid palindrome. Now let's move to the second problem. This is 344 reverse string. Now we have to write a function that reverses string. The input string is given as an array of character S. You must do this by modifying the input array in place with the big of 1. So here we are given an array of the characters, alphabets like H, E, L, L, O at a separate index, means H is at 0, E, L, L, O, and we have to reverse this, means H is at last index, this is a, and we have to do into in place, means there is means we have to not use any extra memory. So again start with the two-point approach, means we first replace with this and comes with this, means 0 to array dot length minus 1, 1 to array dot length minus 2, again as soon as come. Now let left is equal to 0, let right equal to s dot length minus 1. So this is an array format, so we do not have to convert into an array because we can change the value, but as the string is immutable, so we cannot change the value of string if it is a string. But the best case is this is an array format, so we can easily change the value. Now start with the left is always smaller than right, and make a temporary variable for storing the value. Here s of left, and we store in the s of left we store the s of right, and in the s of right we store the temp. It means swapping the value here, and every time left plus plus, right minus minus, right. And here in this it says do not return anything, modify in place instead. Means we modify the this as array, string array, and we are not using any extra space, right? So let's run the what happened. Okay, just a typo mistake. Let's run again. Yes, it's up. Let's try to submit. Yes, it is up. All the 477 test cases are passed. So this is a basic swapping way. If they ask, the best case here is they give us the array format, not a string. If it is a string, we have to first convert into an array, then change into again, then reverse the string, and then change again back to the string, because strings are immutable. So today we do not just solve two problems. We learn how two pointer move towards each other by using the left and right pointer. How to handle the edge case like special character, like here else if we write for the special character. How to write in place algorithm, means we are not using any extra space here, just change in place. And how to analyze the time and space complexity. Here the so these small problems build the massive interview confidence. If you truly understand this pattern, you are already ahead of most beginner. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to JDCodebase, and check the DSA Foundation playlist. Next, we will level up the same pattern with the hard variation. Keep practicing, keep coding.